Welcome to the redesigned EECO website. To get started with a new project, click the Configurator button in the top right corner. If you are a new user, click Register at the bottom of the login screen. Fill in your user credentials, full name, and company name. Once you hit Register, check your inbox for a confirmation email to complete your setup. Once registered, return to the login screen and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. This is your My Projects page. From here, you can track current requests or start a new one by clicking the blue plus New Quote button. Begin typing your project details, including the contact name, address, and email. Select your work type, whether it's a new construction, modernization, or repair, the number of cars, your required date, and the product form type, such as a jack unit. Click Next. Now, enter the technical specifications for your first car. Our configurator guides you through every required detail, including travel length, capacity, and existing piston dimensions. Continue through the technical fields to log the car speed, cylinder details, and preferred protection options, like PVC coating or electronic monitoring. If your project features a second car with identical specs, simply use the Copy from Car 1 option at the top to instantly pull all data over. You can then name each car explicitly, such as PE7 and PE8. Scroll to the bottom of the form and click Submit. Your initial request is instantly logged as a proposal on your dashboard. To view the itemized breakdown, project data, and estimated pricing, simply click Initial Proposal. Note that this is a budgetary price only. Our team is not yet notified. When you are ready for our team to review your specifications and generate a final engineering quote, click Request Final from your dashboard. For a final quote, the system unlocks the required engineering fields. Input your specific job site dimensions, including pit depth, platform height, and bolster details. Once the dimensions are entered for your cars, scroll to the bottom and click Submit. Your project status will update to Final, and our engineering team will be notified immediately. The configurator also allows you to make revisions without needing to send an email. If job site requirements change, for example, if you need to add PVC protection, pit channels, or a shutoff valve to an existing project, simply select Edit Initial from your dashboard. Make your necessary adjustments directly on the specification form. If a modification requires a new data point, such as an outlet size for a shutoff valve, the system will highlight it for you. Click Submit to save your changes. Your dashboard will instantly update with your revised configuration, new project totals, and updated documentation. Our team will review your specs, and we'll be in touch shortly. Thank you for choosing EECO.